Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials. Your Jio SIM is 5G enabled, and your handset supports the carrier's 5G bands. Once done, open the My Jio app and confirm your plan shows unlimited 5G or ask customer care to apply it to your number. Make sure KYC and profile are complete. Then update your phone OS so the radio firmware is current and physically insert the SIM or activate eSIM. This gets you ready to request a 5G network connection immediately. Next, you enable 5G in settings. Go to Network and Internet, choose SIM, and set preferred network type to 5G/NR or 5G Auto. Once selected, verify APN is correct, typically Gionet. In and adjust authentication to CHAP if your phone needs it. After changing settings, manually select the Jio network to force re-registration. Sometimes automatic selection lags. Finally, reboot the phone. This clears old registrations and makes the radio handshake with Jio's 5. Now verify your connection. Run a speed test and watch the My Jio data dashboard to confirm unlimited 5G is active. Once confirmed, configure hotspot and tethering limits if you share data, and watch battery and temperature because 5G can use more power. If things go wrong, try simple fixes first. Toggle airplane mode, reboot, or reset the SIM. If that doesn't help, capture a few network logs or screenshots and contact Jio support so they can push a network profile or resolve provisioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.